So, a quick backstory. When I'm not hiring in my 9 to 5, I have this platform called Always Never Home where we post jobs every day, Monday to Friday. It's a LinkedIn page and we post a bunch of jobs there every day. Remote jobs, jobs you can work on site, jobs for people in the UK as well. Now, one of the things that occurs a lot on this platform is we have people who comment, I'm interested under a job. So if we post a link now and say, hey, this particular company in the UK is hiring, some people just come there and they say, I'm interested. And it's disturbing, right? Because we're not asking you to say you're interested. If you're interested in that job, we're asking you to click on the link to apply, right? And even if you don't want to click on the link to apply, maybe talk to the poster, right? Leave a message to the poster of the job or the vacancy and say something like, hey, this is my CV and all of that, instead of saying I'm interested below the post. Saying you're interested below the post doesn't get you the job. You need to stop doing that. It's really frustrating because we're getting a lot of comments from people saying they are interested, but we're not getting a lot of people applying to work these jobs. So it doesn't make much sense. Going under a post to say I'm interested will not get you a job unless the poster of the job is saying if you're interested, then leave a comment that says I'm interested. But going under the post to say I'm interested will not get you hired. You need to apply. You need to talk to the poster of the job. You need to click on the link to apply. You need to submit your CV. I don't know who you are, so I can't offer you a job. Right? So that's basically what I want to tell you guys. The platform is called Always Never Home. You can check it out on LinkedIn. And when we post jobs, click on the link to apply. Don't say I'm interested. It doesn't get you the job.